Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about ovarian cycle. So huge thanks to our friend Siva Chaitanya who drawn this diagram, and so let's discuss. Okay, so basically ovary is divided into cortex and medulla. Okay, in medulla what we have ovarian vessels we will have. So in cortex what we will find the follicular development you will see. Okay. So during when we are in the womb of our mother, so we have like 60 to 120 millions of oogonia, right? This and the developing oocyte they get arrested in the metaphase. Okay, right? So after the fertilization the arrest will be completed. Arrested one will be get over. Okay, completed. So in the cortex first how the follicles will develop. So first we have to know about HPO axis, right? Hypothalamus pituitary ovarian axis. So from hypothalamus what will be releasing? Gonadal releasing hormone will be releasing. So it acts on the anterior pituitary. So from the anterior pituitary we will get FSH and LH, right? So FSH how it will help means FSH will help in the follicular development, right? Follicular development it will help. So these are the primordial follicles, right? These are the primordial follicles. So and these are developing, right? These are developing. This is primary follicle. So in that it contains primary oocyte and granulosa cells. These flower type periphery of the flower you will see now. These are the granulosa cells. Okay. So in secondary follicle what you will see, more number of granulosa cells you will see. Okay, and some antral cavity you will see. Prominent antral cavity is seen in the tertiary follicle, and here you will see theca also, theca layer also. In tertiary follicle that theca will differentiate into theca interna and theca externa, right? These are more number of granulosa cells, prominent antrum, and you will have theca interna and theca externa. Theca interna will secrete the estrogen in tertiary follicle, right? So this is Graafian follicle. Okay, Graafian follicle. So you have big antral cavity and more number of these granulosa cells. Okay, and you will find secondary oocyte here. So after this Graafian follicle, what is the fate of the Graafian follicle? Okay, under the action of the LH, under the action of these hormones like okay, this Graafian follicle on 14th day it will release the ovum and remaining part will get converts into corpus luteum. So under the action of the LH, this corpus luteum will secrete progesterone if there is any fertilization and then if there is any pregnancy. If there is no pregnancy such things, this corpus luteum won't secrete the progesterone. Instead it get converted, it get regresses, it get degenerates into corpus albicans, right? Corpus albicans. This is developing corpus luteum. This is corpus luteum, and if there is any pregnancy, to maintain the pregnancy progesterone will be secreted. If there is no pregnancy it gets converted into the corpus albicans. This is all about ovarian cycle. Okay, did you understand guys? So this is about follicular development. Follicular development occurs under the action of FSH and this progesterone secretion under the action of the LH. Progesterone maintains the pregnancy. Okay, so this is just short discussion about this ovarian cycle. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.